السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. مشاهدي الكرام، إليكم أبرز ما جاء في نزال البطل المغربي أنيس بوزيد ضد خصمه البريطاني ناتان كوك. النزال يندرج ضمن منظمة الجلوري 99.
A time you'd like to see a guy maybe get the win, it would be Nathan Cook fighting today after his dad passed away.
المقاتل المغربي احتاج فقط ل28 ثانية في الجولة الأولى ليسقط البريطاني بالضربة القاضية وأنهى النزال بسرعة البرق.
His boxing, his power combinations, he looked incredible, and that was the question coming in with a good kicker.
His fight mentally.
No, I mean, just looking at his face, and you can't blame him for that, but I mean, I just feel terrible, but the first combination, I mean, just the slip off line like that and find that finish. Really spectacular. Thai fighter, it's quick boxing, it's the overhand body shot.
المغربي أنيس بوزيد يسجل فوزه كأحد أسرع الضربات القاضية في تاريخ الجلوري. فألف مبروك للبطل المغربي ومزيدا من التألق إن شاء الله.
Don't want to take away anything from what Bouzid just did, Joe, but you could tell even from the walkout and the fighter announced.
Ladies and gentlemen, you watched it as it happened. One of the fastest knockouts in glory history. We have an official time of 28 seconds into that very first round. This one ends by knockout. For your winner, Anís Bouzid.